ताज़ा तरीन खबरों को जानने के लिए अभी टाइप करें A1 News TV।
Hello, you are watching A1 News TV and I am Megha. Let's have a look on our special story. On 21st of November at Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs, Ministry of Corporate Affairs at Manesar, NCR, Haryana. The International Internship University officially announced that it has taken the initiative to support Vidyanjali program. As an initiative of the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Department of School Education and Literacy to enhance community and private sector involvement in government-run elementary schools across the country under the overall aegis of the Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. Vidyanjali is launched by worthy hands of Piyush Pandit, co-founder and COO of International Internship University. Major General Dr. G.D. Bakshi, retired Army officer. Lata Suresh, Head of Knowledge Resource Center at Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs, that is IICA, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Government of India. Saroj Kant Malik, DIG, CISF, Prayagraj. Nirmal Gehlot, Founder and CEO, Utkarsh Classes, President, Rajasthan. Divyang Seva Samiti, Shyam Sundar Pathak, Assistant Commissioner, State Tax, UP Government. As we all know, International Internship University will provide knowledge and education through expertise to all the schools across India. In partnership with the Ministry of Education, Department of School Education and Literacy, Government of India, with the aim to strengthen school through community and private sector involvement in schools across the country to support Vidyanjali School Volunteer Program. As urged by Honorable Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, equality and skill-based education will be given to all the government schools by the high-caliber volunteers across the world. The International Council of Educators of the International Internship University will take a pledge to provide quality and affordable education through Vidyanjali program to a minimum of 1,000 schools all over India in partnership with the Ministry of Education, Department of School Education and Literacy, Government of India by 2022 with the help of its high-caliber educators across the globe. Last but not the least, let's have here what have dignitaries said.
I'm really elated by this award that I have received. It's an honor to have received this doctorate award for the field of work that I've been doing for the past 16 years. It's an esteemed privilege for me to be recognized by a university like the International Internship University, and to receive this doctorate has been a bad dream for me ever since my childhood, and it has been a dream come true. So I take this time and this opportunity to extend my gratitude to the entire team that has been behind this entire show that has made this day possible for me.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Doctor, how much responsible you are feeling?
मेरे एक सब है और अब इस फील्ड में और भी काम करूँगी आगे. अभी मैंने डिस्ट्रिक्ट लाइब्रेरी एसोसिएशन बनाया अपना और मध्य प्रदेश लाइब्रेरी एसोसिएशन की मैं मेंबर हूँ.
अच्छा.
और एक पद के साथ मतलब ये एक डिग्निटी मिली, एक जिम्मेदारी मिली, इसके साथ अभी और आगे काम करेंगे. और मेरा ये मानना है कि अपनी शिक्षा ऐसी होनी चाहिए देश और समाज के काम आए. तो अभी तक तो अपन अपना घर का कर रहे थे, फैमिली का कर रहे थे. अब मैं चाहती हूँ देश और समाज के लिए मैं कुछ कर सकूँ. तो ये उपाधि के साथ और मोटिवेट हैं और एनर्जेटिक काम करेंगे. और थैंक्स टू पीयूष पंडित सर, अभी उनका और जितना उनके बारे में जाना, आज ज़्यादा जाना है, पहले इतना नहीं जानती थी. बहुत अच्छा लगा देख के सोशल वर्क में इस हद तक वो काम कर रहा है. थैंक्स टू डॉक्टर बिंदु टाक मैम जयपुर से हैं, तो उनके थ्रू मैं यहाँ तक आई थी. ये प्लेटफॉर्म मुझे पता चला था.
Thank you, ma'am. Dr. Qazi Raghib Sahab.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
We have Dr. Qazi Raghib and he is an art curator and works with National Herald. And अभी आज आप डॉक्टरेट हो गए हैं completely.
Benefit using my name also, they are giving me the award. It is also beneficial for them also.
Any message for IIU?
This new concept, basically the digital university, you can say the online university is a new concept in India, and definitely it will go further. Maybe more university will start like this. We are used to only the physical university basically. The first time is I've associated with this online university.
Okay,
Thank you very much.
congratulations. So we have Dr. Rama with us. Rama ji, congratulations first of all.
Thank
and
you.
how it feels to become a Dr. Rama now.
I feel very proud, I feel happy and grateful to my school, to my principal Dr. Vidindu, and to my family, my husband Mr. Gunesh, who has been supporting me all through till here.
Okay, ma'am, congratulations. So we have Dr. Priyanshu with us. Congratulations, Dr. Priyanshu.
Thank you very much.
Tell us more about yourself.
Okay, so I'm Dr. Priyanshu Mathur. So I've done my training in MD Pediatrics followed by training in genetics. So I'm taking care of pediatric rare disease patients and genetic disorder patients. So I'm settled in Jaipur and I'm associated with a SMS Medical College as an associate professor in pediatric medicine. So we have a lot of genetic patients and I have treated few patients with gene therapy also in Jaipur. I think you have heard about the spinal muscular atrophy. For that we have given gene therapy in Jaipur in May 2021, and lots of my patients are under my treatment with different newer molecules. So I have a main interest in research.
Any message for IIU?
Yes, so I'm really impressed by the way they have organized today's event, and special thanks to Mr. Piyush Pandey. So he developed a very good university and he is helping so many people.
Thank you so much.
यानी कि बाकी सब जो एक सडन एज होती है जब वो पीएचडी करते हैं, मैं लास्ट 35-40 ईयर से स्ट्रगल कर रही थी और मैं आयुर्वेदा के अंदर में बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही थी और नेचुरोपैथी किया, एरोमा थेरेपिस्ट हूँ, कॉस्मेटोलॉजिस्ट हूँ। तो मेरा एक सपना था कि मुझे पीएचडी करना है आयुर्वेदा के अंदर, और मैं आयुर्वेदा को बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करती हूँ और बहुत ही एक सम्मान के साथ करता हूँ। आज मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि IIU ने मुझे एक मौका दिया और मेरी कदर की, मेरी ज्ञान की कदर की और मुझे पीएचडी से नवाया।
Congratulations.
मैं नैना जडेजा हूँ। बेसिकली आई एम फ्रॉम गुजरात और मैं रविंद्र जडेजा की सिस्टर हूँ और काफ़ी समय से आई एम इन BSc नर्सिंग और काफ़ी समय से मैं सोशल वर्क भी करती हूँ, बहुत करती हूँ। और मेरा खुद का एक फाउंडेशन है जो मेरे मदर के नाम से भी काम करता है, उसके अंतर्गत मैंने बहुत काम किए हैं, सोशल वर्क बहुत किए हैं। तो इन लोगों ने मुझे आज ऑनरशिप में डॉक्टरेट दिया है, मैं इनका बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ। ये लोगों को इंस्पायर करते हैं। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी।
Nidhi ji,
Oh, thank you so much.
now you're a doctor.
Oh yes, after 25 years of in the field of education, finally I think
How it
I've achieved a milestone. And as Frost has very famously put, it smiles to go before I sleep. So I think with this doctorate, there are a number of other responsibilities and other milestones to achieve and attain.
So what's your plan for?
Principal and I love to, and pandemic times I've done a lot of online, and now my plans are to have an inclusive education with the underprivileged children also, so that we can give them lovely experiential learning in this.
मैम किस फील्ड में आपको बेसिकली मिला है?
बेसिकली क्या है, मेरा जो अपना बहुत फेवरेट सब्जेक्ट है वो सोसाइटी के लिए काम करना है। तो काफ़ी टाइम से हम लोगों ने अपनी एक फाउंडेशंस मिली है, सर्वोदय फाउंडेशंस। इसके अंदर हम मल्टीपल टास्क पे काम कर रहे हैं और जो मेरा एक जो सबसे दिल के नज़दीक है वो है मेरा एनिमल्स को लेकर के। तो हमने एक देवाश्री एनिमल हॉस्पिटल खोला है फरीदाबाद में। वो शायद शहर का एक सबसे ज़्यादा वेल इक्विप्ड और वेल ऑर्गेनाइज्ड हॉस्पिटल है। तो उसमें जितनी भी हमारी एक प्रॉपर सिस्टम है, हमारे पास एक कॉल सेंटर है, उसमें जो भी कॉल्स आती हैं डे नाइट, उसके लिए हमारे पास प्रॉपर क्वालिफाइड डॉक्टर्स हैं, टेक्नीशियंस हैं।
Congratulations. How it feels to become a doctor?
It feels cloud 9 high, high on high. Why? Because everyone wishes that one is recognized by a doctor, and not any doctor. I have really worked hard, coming from an orthodox background where that era where girls were not allowed, and a Marwadi family, and now becoming a social figure, working for children, working for women, I feel really proud. And may I inspire others, motivate others with this kind of wonderful event and the degree which is honored to me. Thank you so much, and I'm very thankful to Piyush Pandit. He's really a wonderful person and doing a wonderful work He's a philanthropist and a social activist. I wish him all the very best in his future endeavors, and may he do this kind of social service and bring in lot of changes in India. Atmanirbhar Bharat. I'm proud to be a part of this event. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
That's all for now. Thank you for watching. For more updates, keep on A1 News TV.
ताज़ा तरीन खबरों को जानने के लिए अभी टाइप करें A1 News TV।